Okay. Hello. Right here, installation complete. I do it in like 30 minutes. Not really complicated. Like I tell you guys, I cut the part right there and it bolts like direct fit. See? Bracket on right there with the front motor mount all cord. You can buy a new one. I don't want to buy it because mine was in really good shape. Yes, that's it. This is a really upgrade to your car. Sorry for that. I was with my dog and I think I eat hair dog. Yeah. That's it. Remember, when you're doing the search for this motor mount kit, it don't came with the other three mounts. It's full separate. You have to search for Acura TL Type S or base 6-speed manual. It came this motor mount and that motor mount. Those two came in that kit. All right. Thank you for watching YouTube. Installation complete. Transmission motor mounts upgrade. Thank you again for watching. God bless you all. The Accord Man.